Let's double check the IOTA chart, targets updates with my customer set. So this is a chart what we track on the Binance since here's May 18. If we double check the global chart of IOTA, it looks like this one. And to base it on the global chart since June 17, basically we are inside 27 block. Usually this block play like accumulation zone. So we can just compare the dates. So here from the first touch of 27 block to the last one, it took us 728 days before the major pump. So here was a March 2020, you know, it's a COVID dump, and we never drop it back ever again inside 27 blocks. So here 728 days for accumulation, this one. After that, it took us here from the last touch to the all-time high. It took us just 161 days. So it's kind of weird, you know, like 700 over than 2 years accumulation, right? And after that, just in a half year, just one pump and the party is done. This time totally, guys, different, because take a look, we are here now, 1,274 days. It's just mind-blowing, you know. Who accumulate this token? I have no idea. So if we will see that 160 days, just approximately 161 day pump to new all-time high, so it can be like here, magic. It's April 13, 2026. So the end of cycle can be for the altcoins around spring 2026. It's kind of weird. Why it's weird, guys? Because when I see the chart like this one, it's not only about IOTA. You know, when I see the chart like this one, 1,274 days, we go in inside accumulation zone, and imagine we are here 1,666 days in a downtrend. And I want to ask the IOTA team and all of that guys who in Twitter all the time post a lot of things like partnership with the European Union. The European Union chose the IOTA like blockchain for a digital euro. A lot of bullish partnership, a lot of some upgrades, you know, they work hard, you know, like always they introduce their project. And I want to ask, what exactly are you delivering for the token? What are you working on if your value of your token going over than 1,666 days just down? So you can do nothing and the result will be absolutely the same. Or it's just a part of the game of marketing. You know, they need to show you their own token and sell you the dream. So yes, we work hard and it will affect the price of our token, but it's not. And we going down, down, down. Who sell? Who sell the token? If you work so hard, why no new user invest in your project? So this is a kind of open question. All right, I totally understand. It's not always only about IOTA, you know. It's about all tokens. Some of them perform pretty good one, like Injective, Fetch AI, for example. So it was just a hype and the narrative. Now on IOTA, no hype, no narrative. So when we will see that bounces back on IOTA, just because of simple money rotation between the BTC and the altcoins, definitely they will say, oh, take a look, we pump it just because we work so hard. No, just because it's simple money rotation and the BTC dominance going down to, I don't know, 50%, for example. So guys, it's just example personal for me, you know, to not trust the everything what they post and their promises. So it's fundamental, absolutely no make sense. If we use the local one, FIP, it was a global one. So once again, I would like to show you, I don't think so. We will hit the 0.5 level by FIP this cycle. The miracle should happen you know. So we will come back to $3.65. For example, the XRP already here. Is it possible to hit the new all-time high? Yes, guys, absolutely. Of course, it's possible. Everything is possible in crypto, right? We can't know what will happen next with this token. But don't be trapped with just the marketing and shill. So it will be not a mistake if you want to buy now at 13 cents, fix at 30. 27, 26 cents just withdraw your initial deposit and the live free tokens, even to new all-time high, even to $9.28, even to $3.65. So the just craziness scenario, if IOTA just with some miracle pump to $3.65. It's possible, yes, but I don't think so it will. If we use the local VIP since April 21, yes, it's a local because global one I showed you. So if it's a local one here, we dump, I guess, on the Binance. No, not yet. Not dump it on the COVID dump low. So everything is still okay with the IOTA. And low was here in March like 18 cents. No, 1 cent here. Oh, 5 cents at 34. This one, we dump it to 7 cents 64. Pretty nice one. Basically, we close. You remember, I mark this week, just a week. We come back and close the 50% of that week. Sometimes it's really mind-blowing, guys, because you know, it's happened all the time, almost all the time. No matter it's a 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame. And it took us like 5 years, so we just come back and close the 50% of that week of COVID dump. Now we try hold the line at 27 level, 13 cents 63. Based on this model, guys, of course we can't know the future, but based on this model, I'm more than sure we will, if we will see some reversal move on alts, you know, some money will inflow into out from BTC. We will see this sweep of this high of December 24. This one, it's crazy week. So the pump and dump because somebody knew something, definitely some insiders. So why we see the crazy seller pressure? So we just pump 1 month in November, next one December they put the price almost to zero level and crash it down at the same time. So something bad happened in December 24 for the crypto, some FTX collapse, some black swan, something bad? Basically nothing. But it's just a pure speculation. We close almost the full fill of monthly gap and some seller pressure. So it's kind of weird, right? Now the same story here. This is a downtrend, pump. Now this is a downtrend. It can be and will be the pump, or to close 50% of this week. In this case, it will be around like 50 cents and down. Or we go higher to sweep this liquidity pool and go to 0.5 level by FIP of this FIP, a local one since 2021. So $1.67. Honestly, of course, like everybody and me also, I wish to see the main altcoin season. So the BTC dominance should drop down to 50%. Now it's 60%, 16.23. So I hope we will see some gains in at least in spring 2026. That's why conservative price targets, guys, all the time, just build a conservative one. So it's $1.67, this one. First one, of course, it's a fixation of initial deposit, so 27 cents, you withdraw initial deposit. After that, $1.67, and here, 1.61 based on this FIP, 391. It will be the around 0.5 global FIP of previous global FIP. So everybody's screaming, we're going to the moon, to new all-time high, to $10, to $20. But even the 391 is just amazing result, and I don't think so we will see this one. So conservative price targets, guys, is $1.67, this one. Let's double check, guys, with indicator set. It's kind of weird here. This was accumulation here. This is September 19. We formed the divergence in a monthly time frame, March 2020. It's accumulation. We pump. Now we're in distribution. How it even possible? How it even possible? So the big guys just sell and sell and sell the IOTA. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. So some accumulation, small one, was here in September 2023 at 14 cents. So now no divergence, no accumulation, nothing on the monthly. Of course, direction with the bottom, almost at the bottom, but no money, no accumulation. Weekly, yes, accumulation with divergence. Yes. Here was the low of June 2024, 13 cents. And we formed the divergence here. And now it's also 13 cents, but this was the divergence. The crash on Donald Trump tariffs. Also, we see this week, we can drop and close the 50% of this week. So I will be not surprised if we dump again to 9 cents 85. So just in case. Would be good if we hold the line here. It will be just an amazing, if we hold and go higher, But who knows? Time will show us. So no accumulation on direction indicator. Not yet. Some accumulation was here, the last one before the bounce. So here was accumulation. June, it's a weekly time frame now. So June, accumulation, pump, and July, we're going down. Guys, this cycle is so ridiculous for the altcoins, 100%. Market mood, guys. This is a capitulation. Finally, capitulation on IOTA. The last one, capitulation, was here in September, October. 2 months, capitulation and pump. That time we pumped it from 10 cents to 63. This time we will see. We dump to 7 cents 64, and how high we will pump, it's hard to say. All right, monthly, we're in the capitulation. Yes, it's total depression. So only the BTC dominance under 50% can save the IOTA and other tokens also. Some money inflow was here at 15 cents. After that, RSI MACD bullish divergences. In October, pump. This October, nothing. So compare the Octobers. This is October, RSI MACD. We traded at 10 cents, pump. Next 2 months. Now, we trade over the middle line without any divergences, without any money inflow, but the levels are lower. It's kind of also weird. Here was the last money inflow after that, and before the October, June 2024, RSI bullish divergence, pump, money outflow. 2 weeks, and they fix the profit. Mind-blowing. Here's nothing. We at the bottom. Soon, I guess, we will see some money inflow. It can be bullish. Of course, guys, now I'm not to blame the IOTA, I'm not blame any token. I just blame the dream sellers, who all the time post some stupid things like, because it's their job, like invest in our startup. Every single token, just a basic startup. Invest in our startup because of, and some list of the reasons, but that reasons make no sense for the price. I already explained it to you. So it's the same like with Apple. If you want to use some product from IOTA, from XRP, from ICP, from the Polkadot, you can buy their token if you need that token to use their product, right? Or you want to stake that token, for example. So you don't care about a price. So you buy in the token and use that tokens for the service for the product. You don't care about the price of that token anymore, right? But it's the same like you buying the Apple phone. You spend money to buy the Apple phone. But if you want to invest in Apple shares, you worry about the price. That's the difference. So based on money power I showed you, let's double check the trade on. Sell, no signal to buy back. Here was some buybacks, we bounced it now nothing. It's kind of mind-blowing also. Here's was a buy, after that on a monthly sell. buy back, bounce, buy back, bounce, now nothing. Oh, so weird. Daily, guys, no take profit signal. Wow. Sell was here in June. Who could predict, I'm not tracked the IOTA, I marked that level. And you remember the last video I posted about IOTA, I marked that 50% of the week of COVID dump, we can come back and close. Even here, even I won't believe we will drop to that low. Who could predict? So we're gonna dump from end of June, 24 cents to 7 cents. There was no reason for that dump. Everybody waiting so that we are in accumulation zone. All summer, tested several times 27 level, bounce it, and we should skyrocket to the moon, right? But after that, the Trump decided to change the game. 12 time frame, it was a sell also. Jewel, some buybacks, take profit, buy, recommendation, close position. Also weird how just a few days before the tariffs, we saw the signal recommendation, close position. Now nothing, guys. No signal to buy or so. And everything you could track in real time. Once again, here's buy, recommendation, close position on 4 hour time frame. Oh, it's kind of weird. I believe, definitely if this is just a downtrend, anyway, we will bounce to close the 50% of that downtrend. That's why, guys, 13 cents now, it's not a mistake to fix the profit around here. It will be not a mistake because we can't know. Maybe this cycle will be on extra hard mode and we will see something like this. We can't know. That's why build a plan, guys. Build a plan. Take a look, the last one, take profit indicator. We traded that time, almost tested. Here the test was August 24 fundamental value of the token. Almost closed the 50% of the week of COVID dump pump over the exit line. It was so obvious to a close position. Now we dump it on the fundamental value, try hold a line on a weekly time frame around the buy line. Buy line now it's at 13.58. So the most positive case, guys, if we come back and close the 50% of this week, so this week we can delete basically. We can close, so this is a weekly, here, 50% of this week, it can be the 11.56. Fundamental value of this token now on a weekly time frame, 10.31. So 11.56, 10.31. So it's more than okay to see the test. Monthly, we so underrated. Definitely so underrated. So here, it's no. Let's double check on the global chart. I would like to show you. It will be more accurate. So here we trade on the fundamental value on the monthly time frame. It's so bullish. Take profit line. It's monthly time frame 54.57. Exit line. It's 62.25. So guys, we never traded, basically since this data exists, October 74, we never trade so underrated. So if you believe in IOTA, guys, now based on a risk reward, it's okay, time to buy. Potential risk, of course, we can go to zero with any token, definitely. But based on a risk ratio, now it's more than okay to buy this token. And once again, 13.30 now. At here 27 at the test of the buy line below, you withdraw initial deposit. Here's a test of the take profit line, exit line. You fix a profit, leave some tokens for potential new highs. For example, $1.50. You know what I showed you before, 50% of this downtrend move, and 365, and that's it. If you believe in the crazy gains like XRP, you can wait, but we can't compare the IOTA and XRP. It's two totally different tokens with totally different community support. I hope you like this video, guys. Write us and comment what you think about this cycle for these projects like IOTA. And if you like to trade as my customer, because I will show on this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.